Welcome to our detailed guide on the best ceiling fans with remotes, stylish, efficient, and convenient cooling solutions designed to elevate comfort in your home, bedroom, living room, or office space. Ceiling fans with remote controls offer effortless operation, letting you adjust fan speed, lighting, and settings without ever leaving your seat. In this video, we'll walk through 5 of the top fans on the market, comparing their airflow performance, lighting integration, control options, design, and overall value, so you can pick the right fit for your space. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. If you're looking for a compact and stylish option that works well in rooms with lower ceilings or tighter spaces, the Amico 42-inch low-profile ceiling fan with light and remote is an excellent choice. This fan features a 42-inch blade span that delivers a gentle yet effective breeze while maintaining a low profile that sits flush to the ceiling. Ideal for bedrooms, guest rooms, and living areas where headroom is limited. The integrated light adds functional illumination, and the included remote makes it easy to change fan speeds, adjust brightness, or turn the light on and off without climbing up to a switch. Users appreciate the quiet operation and even airflow, especially when paired with the sleek, minimalist design that fits a variety of interior styles. If you want dependable cooling and lighting in a compact package, this Amico fan brings both convenience and style without taking up unnecessary space. Moving up in size and airflow capability, the Poskai 52-inch sleek ceiling fan with light and remote offers a broader breeze for medium-sized rooms such as living rooms, dining rooms, or larger bedrooms. With its 52-inch blade span, this fan pushes a generous amount of air while operating quietly, ensuring a comfortable environment without disruptive noise. The integrated light provides ambient brightness, and the remote control gives you full access to speed adjustments and light settings with the push of a button. Users often praise its smooth performance, modern aesthetic, and easy installation, making it a favorite for everyday cooling needs. Its sleek blades and clean design blend seamlessly into contemporary interiors, giving you both form and function where you need them most. For another great low-profile pick that combines cooling and lighting with remote convenience, the Adlon 42-inch low-profile ceiling fan with light and remote is worth a close look. Like other 42-inch fans, it's tailored for spaces with limited ceiling clearance, but still provides a refreshing airflow that helps reduce indoor temperatures during warm days. The integrated light adds practicality for nighttime use or ambient illumination, while the remote lets you toggle between speeds and lighting modes without reaching for a wall switch. Many users highlight how easy this fan is to install and how quietly it runs, especially important if you're using it in a bedroom or relaxation area. If your priority is a low-profile fan that doesn't compromise on comfort or convenience, this Adlon model delivers reliable performance with a subtle, clean design. Stepping into a more advanced feature set, the Zmashibo 52-inch ceiling fan with light, app, and remote brings additional convenience through both traditional remote control and modern app-based control. With its 52-inch blade span, this fan provides strong airflow that's suitable for larger rooms like living areas, master bedrooms, or open-concept spaces. The integrated light adds functional brightness, while the dual control options, remote and smartphone app, let you adjust fan speed, light settings, and even set timers or schedules from your phone. Users who enjoy tech-friendly features appreciate this additional level of control because it provides flexibility and ease whether you're on the couch or across the room. By combining reliable airflow with contemporary convenience, this Zmashibo model delivers cooling power and smart control options that adapt to your lifestyle. Topping our list as the best ceiling fan with remote is the Hunter 52-inch indoor ceiling fan with LED light and remote, a trusted choice known for its dependable performance, quiet operation, and long-lasting quality. Hunter has a strong reputation for producing well-engineered ceiling fans, and this 52-inch model brings together effective airflow, integrated LED lighting, and intuitive remote control in a balanced package. The LED light provides bright, energy-efficient illumination that enhances your room without consuming excess power, while the fan's airflow performance keeps air moving smoothly across larger spaces. The included remote allows you to toggle fan speeds and light settings without ever reaching for a wall switch, making everyday comfort adjustments effortless. Users often praise the Hunter fan's quiet performance, solid build quality, and timeless design that complements a variety of home interior styles. Whether you're cooling a living room, master bedroom, or office, This Hunter model delivers consistent airflow, efficient lighting, and user-friendly remote control that makes it our top pick in this category. When choosing the right ceiling fan with remote, consider your room size, ceiling height, design preferences, and whether you value smart features like app control or timers. Smaller 42-inch fans like the Amico and Adlon models deliver compact performance without overwhelming the space, while 52-inch fans like the Poskai, Zmashibo, and Hunter models provide broader airflow and more powerful cooling for larger rooms. The addition of app connectivity on the Zmashibo fan adds extra convenience for tech-savvy users. But all of these picks deliver reliable performance with easy remote operation. And that wraps up our review of the best ceiling fans with remotes available today. Which one would you choose to cool your room and light your space? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. Check the description for current deals so you can grab the perfect ceiling fan with a remote for your home today. Thanks for watching.